A slice of history, sashimi's ancient roots in Japan. Sashimi, the art of serving thinly sliced raw fish, has a rich history in Japan. Evidence suggests sashimi predates chopsticks. Early fishermen likely consumed raw fish preserved in salt. This method, called namasu, is believed to be sashimi's earliest form. During the Heian period, sashimi emerged as a distinct culinary tradition. The development of soy sauce added a savory dimension. It signified its elevation to a delicacy savored by the aristocracy. From humble beginnings to culinary star, sashimi's rise to fame. Sashimi's journey from humble origins to global recognition is a testament to its simple elegance. As Japan opened its doors to the world in the late 19th century, so too did its culinary treasures gain exposure. Sashimi, with its delicate flavors and artistic presentation, captivated adventurous palates. The rise of sushi restaurants worldwide in the latter half of the 20th century further propelled sashimi's popularity. As diners developed a taste for sushi, the allure of fresh, raw fish, expertly sliced and served, naturally extended to sashimi. Its reputation as a healthy and delicious delicacy only enhanced its appeal. Today, sashimi graces the menus of countless restaurants, from intimate Japanese eateries to high-end fusion establishments. Its versatility allows chefs to showcase seasonal fish and experiment with innovative flavor combinations. Sashimi's journey is a testament to the power of simplicity and the universal language of good taste. The art of presentation, traditional and modern sashimi service. Sashimi is an art form with presentation enhancing the dining experience. Traditional sashimi reflects minimalist beauty. Chefs master precise slicing techniques. Tsuma, like shredded daikon and shiso, serves aesthetic and practical purposes. Modern presentations incorporate contemporary elements while honoring tradition. Section 4. Beyond the plate, cultural significance and fascinating facts. Sashimi's significance in Japanese culture extends far beyond its culinary appeal. Deeply intertwined with the country's history, customs, and social interactions, sashimi holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of the Japanese people. It is a dish often enjoyed on special occasions and celebrations. One fascinating aspect of sashimi is the emphasis on freshness. The Japanese term ikidashimi refers to sashimi prepared from live seafood, highlighting the cultural value placed on immediacy and quality. This practice, while not as common today, speaks volumes about the reverence with which the Japanese approach sashimi. Another interesting fact is the variety of fish used. While tuna, salmon and yellowtail reign supreme, sashimi encompasses a vast repertoire of seafood. From delicate flounder to chewy octopus, the possibilities are endless. This diversity reflects Japan's intimate relationship with the sea and its bounty. Section 5. A global phenomenon, sashimi's enduring appeal. Sashimi's journey from ancient Japanese tradition to global culinary sensation speaks to its enduring appeal. Its ability to transcend cultural boundaries lies in its simplicity, purity, and focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients. In a world often dominated by complex flavors, sashimi offers a refreshing alternative. The health benefits associated with sashimi further contribute to its popularity. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients, sashimi aligns with contemporary health-conscious trends. Its light and refreshing nature appeals to those seeking a lighter, yet satisfying dining experience. Moreover, sashimi's aesthetic appeal plays a significant role in its global success. The vibrant colors, delicate textures, and artistic plating elevate sashimi from a mere dish to a visual masterpiece. In an age driven by social media and food photography, sashimi's visual appeal is undeniable. Appreciating the simplicity and delicacy of sashimi. In a world of culinary extravagance, sashimi stands as a testament to simplicity. It showcases fresh, high-quality ingredients with minimal manipulation. Sashimi is an experience, inviting us to savor subtle nuances of flavor and texture. The absence of strong sauces allows the natural flavors to shine. Each bite celebrates the ocean's bounty and nature's balance. Appreciate the rich history and cultural significance in each slice. So, next time when you are enjoying sashimi in a Japanese restaurant, remember the origin of sashimi brought to you in this video.